We've eaten a lot of burgers in 2024, so here are the top three.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Travel Channel, I guess. For now, I don't really know the name of it yet because it is a newer channel, so if you have any names, please let me know in the comments below. Any name suggestions, especially because we're doing the theme of New York City, especially for, because, like I've mentioned it to you guys before, I want to go there so badly one day. During the Christmas season, it has been my dream, so I wanted to watch some people share their favorite food items, where to go, and stuff like that. So if anyone ever had a dream of going to New York City, you could come here and check this channel out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to it. I'm also gonna today it's smash burgers, the best place to go for smash burgers, and then next week we'll do bagels and coffee because I think that's their second best food. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's get to the first one. Here we go. Ooh. Mm. Oh. Okay, I don't know if I could put the sound on. It might be a copyrighted sound, so if I have to mute it, I'm sorry. But one here, so if you don't know, so the first burger is made by a famous chef named George Motz. Let me know in the comments below if you've heard of him. I believe I have. I don't believe I have ever heard of him. Um, but those smash burgers look delicious. I liked how every one of them had onions, like cooked onions with them. It looks really good, and I would go to New York for one of those smash burgers. I've had smash burgers; they are delicious. I love them. Sometimes I prefer them than like the juicy thick burger. Sometimes I feel like they give off better flavor. Let me know in the comments below if you agree, and if you've been to New York and had and if you had one, a really good smash burger or a burger. Comment that below. Okay, on to two. Okay, on to the second one.
The top 5 burgers in New York City, from the opinion of an Englishman. Number 5 is Shake Shack. Shake Shack tastes so much better in the US compared to the UK. It tastes a lot fresher and it's actually much cheaper. Number 4 is Emily's. A lot of Mancs say that this is the best burger in the city. It's a super thick, juicy patty, cooked to pink and topped with caramelized onions wrapped in a pretzel bun. A lot of Americans prefer the thick patty to the smash patty, so I can see why they like it so much, but it's at 4 for me. Number 3 is a chicken burger from 375 Degrees. Cue all the Yanks in the comments, it's a chicken sandwich. If it's between 2 buns, it's called a burger. Grow up. In second place, we have 7th Street Burger. A double smash patty within a potato bun that's been toasted to perfection, wrapped in grease-proof paper to keep all the amazing juices inside. Almost disintegrating to the touch, this just melted away in the mouth to leave that meaty, cheesy goodness. And in first place, it couldn't be anywhere else but smashed. A double wrapped triple smash burger topped with chopped onions wrapped in another potato bun. This is honestly the best burger I have ever eaten, period. Plenty of sauce and amazing meat to bun ratio. If you think there's a better burger in NYC, drop it in the comments. The top 5.
Okay, I think one of those burgers might have been from the first one, maybe, because two of those burgers had potato buns, and that's what I meant to talk about in the first one. Those look so delicious. Oh, it's making me crave a burger right now. The one at Emily's where the meat was a little pink on the inside, I think I would have liked that more cooked. I wonder if people just like it a little bit rare. Or if that's the way they cook it, I don't think I would eat there personally for me. But if they cooked it a little bit more, I would definitely eat there. It still looks really good. Sometimes they could be a little bit juicier when they're more on the rare side. I don't know. It depends, I think. But let me know in the comments below if you've been to one of these restaurants and your experience. On to number 3. Okay, on to 3. Here we go.
We've eaten a lot of burgers in 2024, so here are the top 3 we've tried this year. At number 3 is The Lions, an East Village dive bar serving way better food than it needs to. Their dry-aged burger is classic, juicy, and perfectly seasoned. Number 2 is Gotham Burger Social Club, the viral pop-up turned brick and mortar. This spot makes one of our favorite smash burgers in the city. And finally, at number 1 is Portrait Bar, their juicy dry-aged cheeseburger just cracked open our top 10. We've eaten a lot of...
That last one looked too raw for me. If it was cooked more, definitely would be way better. I want to know how you like your burger cooked. Some people do like to eat it raw like that. I'm personally no thank you. But they do look good overall. Whatever that guy pulled with the cheese, like it almost looked like a mozzie stick, looked delicious. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried one of these restaurants. I'd love to hear about it. Okay, on to 4. Here we go.
People are calling this the best burger spot in New York City. This is Gotham Burger Social Club, and they've perfected the art of making smash burgers. The whole process starts out on the grill, where patties get smashed together with onions before adding seasoning and American cheese. Then the patties get tossed in between a potato roll, where they finish it off with pickles, jalapenos, ketchup, mustard, and secret sauce. I will put this up there as one of the juiciest and most well-rounded smash burgers I've had in the city, and while you're here, I recommend getting their loaded tots and fried pickles. Who would you take here?
Delicious.
People are the best.
Oh, I'll take my boyfriend. Because we're going to New York City to eat all the burgers. All the smash burgers. I love smash burgers. They are delicious. Okay, on to... We're on 5 already? Oh boy. Okay, on to 5. Okay, on to 5. Here we go. The best burger. $2? That's awesome. No. Ooh. My thought about that is it probably gets so much traffic that you could keep those prices very low. That would be my thought. I could be wrong, but it looks delicious. Or, because it did show $7 on the receipt when you saw it, so maybe you got a drink or something to go with it. I'm not 100% sure, but that's cool. Or I saw the receipt wrong. One or the other. Let me know if you've tried that burger. I'd love to hear about your take on it. And I believe we're on to the last one.
This is hands down one of the best burgers in New York City. After trying over 100 of New York's best burgers, the iconic Emmy burger from Emily is still one of our top 5. Their signature Emmy sauce may be the best sauce we've had on a burger and blends perfectly with the dry-aged beef, caramelized onion, American cheese, and shiny pretzel bun. We rank everywhere we eat on Belly and gave them a 9.5. This is hands down.
Okay, for me with that burger, it looks raw. I don't know, it just doesn't appeal to me, but I'm open-minded, so I would try it. So, because sometimes when you don't like something or a type of food, the restaurants know, like the chefs know how to make it, where you actually don't mind it, or it tastes pretty good. If that makes sense to you at all, it makes sense to me. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to Emily's restaurant before, because it seems to be a really good restaurant, or from what I've heard so far. But that is it for me. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. We'll chat soon. Bye now.